लामिन, मुझे लगता है कि ये नई पीढ़ी है, उनमें बहुत क्षमता है, लेकिन चलो देखते हैं कि क्या उनका सिर साफ है और अच्छा
Hey
है।
there! Ready to dub a voice with ElevenLabs? Let's jump into the step-by-step process to create awesome dubs. Step 1. Sign up. Go to ElevenLabs.io and sign up with Google or email. Verify your email to unlock all features. Step 2. Open Dubbing Studio Login. Find Dubbing Studio in the left menu and click it. Step 3. Start a new project. Click Create New Dub. Name your project. Select the original and target languages. Then hit Next. Step 4. Upload your file. Upload an audio or video file up to 500 megabytes or 45 minutes. Or paste a URL from YouTube or TikTok. Click Next. Step 5. Set up settings. Choose the number of speakers up to 9. Then download your dubbed file.
लामिन, मुझे लगता है कि ये नई पीढ़ी है, उनमें बहुत क्षमता है, लेकिन चलो देखते हैं कि क्या उनका सिर साफ है और अच्छा है और क्या वे दबाव को संभाल सकते हैं।
Quick tips. Use clean audio for best voice cloning. Double-check transcriptions for tricky terms. Try Voice Library if cloning isn't perfect. Need more features? Check pricing at ElevenLabs.io. That's it. You're ready to create amazing dubs with ElevenLabs. Have fun.